The Lok Sabha passes the Farm Law Repeal bills on Monday without any discussions, even as the opposition was vociferously demanding thoughts regarding it. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar introduced and tabled the bill for considerations and passing. The MPs of TMC and DMK came to the well of the House seeking discussions, while the Congress MPs who were initially there went back to their seats to let their leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary to raise the demand. The 25-day winter sessions of Parliament, during which 36 bills are expected to be passed, starting with the stormy notes today. Many opposition parties as well as some of those friendly to the Bharatiya Janata Party have demanded a statutory backing to the minimum support price MSP of crops for farmers to an all-party meeting Sunday. Joining the Congress in seeking legal guarantees on the MSP were Trinamool Congress, Dravida Munnetra Kazhaga, YSR Congress Party, Biju Janata Dal, Telangana Rashtra Samiti, Aam Aadmi Party, Bahujan Samaj parties and the left parties.